Install Stable Diffusion. Fast. Let's start. First, make sure you install Git. Click here to download. Download Git. Make sure you pause the video and then come back and for the next step. Okay, next step, make sure you install Python, alright? Make sure you install Python, but not the last version. You need to install Python 3.10.6. Okay, and I'll leave the description of this video the link of this website, also this website, because will just lead to this page. You can click here as well, but no. That's you can also click here and then go down and select Windows installer and click here on download installer, and then install Python, and then don't forget to pause the video, and then after you install Python, come back for the next step. Okay, next step, what we have to do is to let's go to your disk C or whatever disk you have that has more space allocated, so you can install stable diffusion, right? And there you can create a file, new folder, and there you can write stable diffusion. Okay, make sure you're doing that. No, okay, and here click on this file here, location, and write cmd. And now here what we have to do is to go back to here to this to GitHub. I'll leave in the description of this video this file, this website. Okay, and here just write GitHub clone and copy this location. It's very easy. And here you can simply write here clone and then copy this and paste. Enter. Now wait for this to complete. Won't take that long, so yeah. Okay, done. Now let's move to the next step. Now, next step, we have to download file, click on it, and now save. Right? This will take hour, half an hour, depends on your internet connection. Make sure you install this. I'll leave in the description of this video this website. Okay, so install this, downloaded this file. Now what you have to do is to rename this file. Why not? Model, and now make sure you press Ctrl C, and then let's go to okay, and now let's click here. Okay, click here, and now go to models, stable diffusion, and just paste this file here. Okay, perfect. Now what we have to do is to go back to stable diffusion, go to this file, Windows batch file, web user, okay, and let's click on show more options, edit, and here make sure you add this, so this will update our file. Okay, so make sure you right here get pull, save, and now let's double click this file so we have to install next. Okay, now wait for this to complete. This will take some time. Now what you have to do is to simply copy this link, Control C, and here you can paste the link and enter. And this is what you should see. You should see Stable Diffusion, and here you can simply write your prompt, wolf, and obviously you can add more to your prompt. The more you add to your prompt, the better. And click on generate. And yeah, that's about it. I hope this tutorial helped you, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that and will help a lot this small YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.